Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. Okay, I know the market is yucky. There's a tiny bit of a bounce today, but that's not a big deal, so I wouldn't depend on that. I'm going to share with you how to survive crypto winter. Crypto winter is basically a long and hard bear market where crypto seems to go down every day over and over and over, and you may have some fake outs. You might think that the market is getting ready to recover, only to find out that the market dips again. So today I'm going to share with you this nifty graphic that I stole from it's called the Wall Street Cheat Sheet, and it goes through the cycle, the psychology cycle of investing. And you can use this particular investment cycle of emotions for any type of investment. For the regular stock market, you can use it for anything. So I do want to talk to you about that and show you this, but I'm going to give you 4 quick little tips on how to survive crypto winter, because you can survive. All right, so first, I do want to go ahead and take a look at the crypto market. Just a brief peek. You all know that I don't stare at this thing a lot, so let's just take a look. So Bitcoin today, the total market, I'm on CoinGecko. The total market is the market cap is 1 trillion. Wow. Okay, it's 1 trillion. But here's the deal. About a year ago, it was 3 trillion. So we've lost 2/3 of the entire crypto market. So that's why I'm not too excited, because if you were in at 3 trillion and is now 1 trillion, that's not a lot to celebrate. So Bitcoin is holding steady at 21,000. Ethereum is 1,200. XRP 36 cents. Solana is 41 bucks. You know, Solana, I don't know. I haven't regretted much in my investments, but I did FOMO into Solana. I think Solana might be my only regret. Now, I've written Chainlink all the way down. You know, I'm a die on the Chainlink hill. I am. But don't FOMO in. FOMO means you think that the market is going to keep going up and you're not going to get a chance to get in at a good price. Do not FOMO. Don't FOMO. You will regret it. I regretted FOMOing into Solana at 175. Okay. So you can see the market. It is crappy, crappy, crappy. Yes, it is. But there's some, you know, it's been a little bit of a bounce. But these prices are still way down. A lot of these coins are still down more than 50, 60, 70, 80, even 90% off of their all-time highs. You know how I feel about all-time high. That's kind of what I look, how I measure when I'm going to get into a token. So all of these prices are good prices. You don't know when the bottom is and you don't know when the top. So what you have to do is have conviction in your project and just buy when you want to buy. Okay, now if you haven't already, click like, subscribe, and share. Remember, sharing is caring. Like, subscribe, and share. Remember, sharing is caring. All right, so you know I bring you videos a few times a week because I am your crypto teacher. Now, you can see the market. Okay, I mean, it is what it is. You know, you find tokens, do your research, what you feel conviction in, buy more of it. I am not a financial advisor. You get to do with your money what you want to do. I spend my money on what I want to spend it on. I listen to a lot of different YouTubers because I like to get a lot of different perspectives, but they don't tell me what to do with my money. I spend my money on whatever I want. Some people think I would never buy an altcoin. I love altcoins, a lot of them, you know, and so you get to do what you want to do with your own money. Don't listen to one person. None of these YouTubers are God, right? They're working just like us. If they didn't need the money or need money, they wouldn't be out here doing what they're doing, okay? So, just do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, but get the perspective of a lot of people. All right, so now, so there's the market. Yeah, it's down. It is down, down, and down. But there's some good projects in here, you know, in my opinion. So you just look at what you like and you get it, all right? Now, so let's take a look at the psychology of investing. And we're going to have some fun with this because I'm going to walk you through so you can see how this the psychology works. So when you invest, right? You get in, you start trying to learn about investing, and because why? You want to be a good investor. You want to be a good investor and you want to make money. The whole idea of investing is to make money. Nothing else. That's why I tell you all, I am not married to any of these projects except Chainlink. Yeah, I'm probably married to Chainlink. So anyway, when you get into the market, there's a cycle that goes on, and the cycle repeats over and over and over again. So first, look at the bottom left-hand side. There's disbelief. You know, this rally will fail like the others. And then there's hope. A recovery is possible. So now you start seeing signs that maybe the crypto is going up and it's maintaining its gains. So it's not going up and then dropping back down in 2 or 3 days. So hope, a recovery is possible. But let me give you all some important information. Right now, you've got to know what's going on in other places in society, because there are different factors that have an impact on the market. 3 important things I'm going to tell you. The FOMC is Jerome Powell and the Fed chair meeting. They meet almost every month. They've already raised interest rates 3 times this year in 2022. They've raised rates already 1.5% in total. The last one was 0.75 basis points, right? Now, another meeting is coming up in July 26th, 27th. Whenever the Fed is going to have a meeting, you see a lot of volatility around investment markets. And also, you know, crypto markets is an investment market. So coming up to that 24th, 25th, you're going to see a lot of volatility. So you may see some downward pressure, right? So July is coming up next month. So you have to look out for that. CPI, Consumer Price Index. You don't have to know all the ins and out of it, but basically it's all about inflation, and it's all about the prices that people are paying for goods and services. Now, here's what I think. I think CPI, the number's going to be up again. I think the inflation's going to be up, and let me tell you why. It's summertime, and I'm just using common sense. You think about it the way you want. In the summer, what happens? Families go on vacation, kids are out of school, people spend money. On top of that, we've all been stuck in the house for 2 years with COVID. We want to get out. We want to be out. We want to get out. We're sick of being stuck in the house. People are going out. They're vacationing. And so they're spending money. So that next CPI number that hits, think about it. People are out here spending money. And people are, and businesses set their prices based on supply and demand. There's going to be a lot of demand for goods and services. Why? People are out of school. People are on vacation. And guess what? When people go on vacation, they don't slouch. You don't go on vacation to penny pinch. You go on vacation and you spend money. So I think the CPI is going to be up because I think people are out spending money. Okay? And then you got PPI. And PPI is like a measurement of what manufacturers, the average price that they think that their goods are going to sell for, something like that. So that number's coming out. So CPI and PPI, both those numbers are coming out around the middle of July. I think July 13, 14, something like that. When those numbers hit, you're going to see volatility in the market. So I'm giving you key dates. July 13, 14, you're going to see volatility in the market because if the numbers are bad, things are going to go hell to a handbasket. The end of July, around the 24th, 25th, when the Fed chair announces the interest rates, Jerome Powell did say that if it looks like inflation is decreasing, he's going to lay off. But I don't think it's going to show up this fast because folks are out spending money, supply and demand. So there's got a lot of demand for stuff. So people are having higher prices. All right. That's all I got to say about that. Now, let's get into this psychology. So hope is when you think a recovery is possible. And then, so when the market is steady and it feels good, then you get into optimism. And you say, uh-oh, wait a minute. This rally is real. Because let's say, for example, Seller Network. Seller Network went up to 8 cents and it's holding. And so you're like, okay, it's holding. It's real. And then belief. The belief, you start thinking like, oh, okay, everything is looking good. It's panning out. It's time to get fully invested. Now you start putting other money that you have in the market, right? So you put in some money and now you're up. Your account may be up 200% or 300% or whatever. Now your account is up. You're a believer. Now you go through thrill. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm making money. I am making money. I'm making money. Okay. Now you are thrilled. Now you're ready to mortgage the farm. You ready to get a loan. You like, okay, I need as much money as I can in this market. So now you start thinking, I'm going to buy on margin. Got to tell everybody to buy. Now in crypto, I hope you are not buying on margin. I hope not. You see what happened to Celsius, Voyager. Don't buy on margin. Okay. Don't do it. Don't buy on margin. Do not buy with leverage. Don't do it. All right. So now, but you want as much as you can get, because now really that greed is kicking in. Because you know, it's like, oh my God, I need all the money. Now you're at euphoria. I am a genius. We're all gonna be rich. That's how I was when VeChain went to 28 cents. When Cardano went to $3, I am a genius. I'm a genius. Can't nobody tell me nothing. I mean, like, okay, so I was on top of the world, right? So now, after that, this is a market cycle. Now, complacency. So the market starts to go down. It starts to pull back. But remember, you're a genius. Can't nobody tell you nothing. You're a genius. So you just complacent, right? You're not on your A game anymore. So we say, the market declines some, and you say, we just need to cool off for the next rally, because you think it's going to be a next rally. Because in your head, you're thinking the market is just going to go up, up, up forever. So it goes down some more. You say, oh, wait a minute. Now you're feeling some anxiety. Why am I getting margin calls? You should not have been buying on margin. The dip is taking longer than expected. So now what has happened, the market is not going back up. It went down and it's going down some more. Now it continues to go down. And you're thinking my investments are with great companies. They will come back. Now you're in denial. Chainlink. I'm in denial. I'm in denial. So you're thinking it's a great company. It's going to come back, and the market continues to decline. Now you panic. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Oh my goodness. Everyone is selling. I need to get out. The market continues to go down. Now you angry. Who shorted the market? Why did the government allow this to happen? Now you're looking for people to play the blame game. Now, after that, the market continues to go down. You've done nothing. Your account is down exponentially, maybe down even further than your initial investment. Now you're depressed. And you're thinking, my retirement money is lost. How can we pay for this new stuff? I am an idiot. And that's the cycle. You go, that's it. And then it starts all over again. So that's what I want you to know. It's going to start. So now what happens? The market, because nothing goes down forever. Nothing. So now the market starts going back up a little bit. And guess where you are? Right back at disbelief. And you say, this is a sucker's rally. You're right back at disbelief. So you probably don't get in. Maybe you will, maybe you won't, but you're right back at disbelief, and the market begins to climb some more, and then you get hopeful. And then optimism, and then belief, and then thrill, and then euphoria. You're on top of the world again. That's what you've got to know, when to take profits. You will never time the top or the bottom. That's why you dollar cost average in. Okay, so that's that. So you're going to have, in an investment cycle, you're going to have peaks and troughs. Peaks and troughs. That's what it is. And that's what happens. There are going to be ups and downs, ups and downs, ups and downs, ups and downs. All right. So there's that. Now, so what do? How do you survive this crypto winter? Number one, assess your situation. It's your money. You get to do what you want with your own money. It's your money. If you need to sell, you sell. Hopefully you don't sell when you get down to the disbelief, to the depression, angry part. Assess your situation. If you've invested way too much money, you probably, not financial advice, you may want to take your money out. If you need your money for everyday expenses and to support yourself and your family, to pay your mortgage, to pay your rent, to pay whatever bills that are necessary, you assess your situation and make your decisions accordingly. Number two, dollar cost average. That's what I do. I buy crypto a couple times a week. I am just accumulating. I'm just reaccumulating. I don't go all in. Even with this, I call it dead cat bounce. I think the market has bounced up a little bit. I'm not going all in. Do not FOMO. Don't know. Because remember, we've got more economic data that's coming out. The Fed is still raising interest rates. You know we're going to have pullbacks, and some may be severe. All right. So just dollar cost average. I am buying. I'm definitely buying at these prices. These are great prices, but I'm not going all in. Number three, do your own research. Right now, read a white paper. Find some projects. I've had people bring, like, for example, I was investing in Arweave, and a friend of mine brought Storage, to my opinion, and Storage has been on fire. It's a crypto that they do storage, and you know everything is in the cloud and needs storage. And so he brought Storage, to my opinion. That's a great project. So find some projects that you can invest in that's economical. So do your own research, read some white papers, look at all-time highs, learn about circulating supply, right? See how many tokens a project has. Understand what the founders and what the co-founders are doing, right? So learn. And number four, live your life. If my feet didn't hurt, if my feet were back in good shape, I would be somewhere having a great time, but I'm limited because of my feet. But I will be. I'm living my life in a different way, right? Just doing what I can. Live your life. Don't live, eat, drink, die the crypto market or the stock market. Live your life. Go on vacation. Go hang out with your friends, your families, do things you want to do. But whatever it is that you enjoy doing, you just live your life. So those are four easy things. Assess your situation. Be real with yourself. If you need your money, take your money. Even if it means taking a loss, not financial advice, right? Because it could go to zero. I don't think so, but it might. Who knows? Dollar cost average. Dollar cost average. I'm accumulating. Do your own research and live your life. All right. So that's all I have. That's how you survive a crypto market. And think about the cycle. Think about the investment cycle. And where are we right now? I think we are beyond denial. I think we're close to the bottom. I think we're somewhere between panic and anger. I'm not sure if we're at panic, capitulation, or anger. Did I even go over capitulation? Capitulation means I'm getting 100% out of the market. I can't afford to lose more. I'm sorry if I skipped that one. I think we're somewhere between panic and anger. I don't know if we've hit capitulation yet. I don't know, because market cycles do change. I'm not sure. But go ahead, and we're somewhere, but we are close to the bottom. That's the good news. That's why I'm okay with buying down here. I'm okay with accumulating. I think we're close to the bottom. Okay, so somewhere between panic and anger, right? That's where we are. And I just live with the prices I buy it. I think we're close to the bottom, and I cannot wait until we get back to optimism, right? Because I'm going to just accumulate. All right, so if you haven't already, please click on like. So if you haven't already, please click on like, subscribe, and share. Remember, sharing is caring. My name is Ida. I am your crypto teacher. Thanks for tuning in.